Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you to solve lag, Slutter, delay and more. First of all, open the game that you would like to play on Geforce now.
My baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight.
As you can see, there's a lot of slutter and delay on the main screen. Now just wait until you go in game, then turn off the VPN, so it will remove the delay and lag, also the slutter. Just give it around 30 seconds for it to process. For me, I'm recording right now, so a bit laggy for you guys, but not for me. This also works for every game on Geforce. Now once you're in game, just turn off the VPN and the problem will be solved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a like button and a subscribe if this helps. Bye bye.